century in the industry and keeps their youth through their dynamic and innovative team, always adapting to the latest technology. Some of their notable displays from international competitions are the Fireworks Champions League Real Madrid, International Festival d'Art Pyrotechnique, and International Festival Masters de Feu in France, and international competition Pyrofest in Mexico. Their display for the Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition is entitled Crucible of Light, a fusion of 300 years of history shared with the Philippines. Two worlds, one surge of passion and flame here at the Manila Bay. Let us now witness their spectacular display as passion meets the vibrant spirit of the fiery skies. Our final competitor, Hermanos Caballero of Spain.
Ladies and gentlemen, the countdown.
Let's begin! Rhinos, the countdown is coming! You people, you can watch it! They're like meteors!
Espresso macchiato